this first meditation of the stages of the path, we are meditating on the preciousness of our human life, basically recognizing that our human life is precious because it gives us the opportunity to cultivate the inner light of wisdom. It's not precious because it gives us the opportunity to be successful in our career, or have a good social life, or be healthy and well. This isn't what makes our life precious. What makes our life precious is that it gives us the opportunity to cultivate the inner light of wisdom. And this is what we need to remember, and really, like, deeper, we need to really begin to believe that my life is precious for this reason. Otherwise, we're just going to waste our life in the many kind of distractions and frivolity and so on that it abides in the world. It's almost like the society we live in was designed by distracted people for distracted people. Facebook was designed by distracted people for distracted people. It's when you go into the supermarket, there's not people there. Like, for example, when we go out for checkout, then like the person behind checkout isn't trained up by the firm to say to us, you don't really need those Hershey bars. You just need to learn to meditate, and that will make you happy. Happiness can't be found in Hershey bars. And then, when whatever it is, you don't need to buy those magazines. You don't need to buy People magazine. That's just meaningless conversation, really, and you'll just be creating negative karma, and you don't want to be doing that. They're designed to, and the whole store layout is designed to make us feel these things are important and lead to my happiness. So it's only meditation that teaches us the opposite. Why is it that we somehow believe that buying People magazine will make us happy? I mean, that's why we buy it. We don't believe that if I buy this, it's just going to cause me unending problems. It will make me happy. And these Hershey bars will make me happy. So we spend money on it. So this belief that this thing is going to make me happy, and we really believe it, when that's a wrong awareness. That's the first type of awareness that I was describing, these of the 7 levels of awareness. The very most bottom one is wrong awareness. And that's basically any state of mind that's just wrong. Now, if we live our life believing that Hershey bars will make us happy, or having lots of friends will make us happy, that's an interesting one. Having lots of friends will make us happy. Or if we believe that we can find happiness in another person, which is that belief kind of creates a certain emotional vulnerability and dependence on others. These states of mind we call wrong awarenesses because they're just wrong. It's not true what we're believing in. We can't find happiness in another person. Being popular won't give us happiness. Having pleasurable things to eat won't make us happy.